Hi guys, this is a new video about TikTok app, and right now we will show you how to check the analytics on your TikTok. So as you can see, we have the open TikTok application and we are on our profile page where we have to tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen. Later, let's click on the Creator Tools feature and pick on the Analytics option, which is the first from the list. Wait a second, please. Remember that to get access to the analytics option, you have to post at least the one public video on your profile page. So if you did it, let's tap on the turn on button and wait a minute, please. So perfect. As you can see right now, we have such options like video views, profile views, likes, comments, shares, etc. And later, when you will create your new TikTok, you can choose analytics and the changes of this data every time. So also you can smoothly select another filter. Let's tap on the last 7 days option here to select another filter. For example, you can find out analytic for the last 60 days. So let's pick on it, and in this way you can smoothly manage the analytics after going to another sections. For example, to choose your data about your content, about followers, lives, and more features. So guys, if you like this video and if this tutorial was useful and interesting, we hope that right now you know how to turn on the analytics feature on your device. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Goodbye!